Nikki Fried saying right there, it's too late because obviously this went through, the bill passed. But does Disney have the prospect of countering all of this with a lawsuit? Are there grounds for Disney to do that?
So it's interesting. Corporations have free speech rights, and it dates way before Citizens United. It goes back to the 1930s. So the theory would be that DeSantis and the legislature are retaliating against Disney for expressing their political views. And political speech is the most sacred speech in our Constitution, more so than other kinds of speech. Now, that's an interesting theory. But on the other hand, I read the bill, the one revoking the special status, and the bill itself doesn't actually have anything at all to do with speech. So I would expect that DeSantis, as a defendant, or the Florida legislature would argue, no, this is just a bill that revokes the special status. It doesn't have anything to do with punishing speech. And I even thought about, is it a bill of attainder? Because does it declare guilt without a trial? And it doesn't even declare any kind of guilt. It just says you're losing this special status. So I expect that would be the argument on the other side, that this is constitutional.
Okay. So on that side, sure. But could Disney then, I guess, would it be a countersuit or something of that nature, or a completely new suit that they could go down and say, by doing this for us, we have reason to believe you're violating our corporate First Amendment rights? I mean, that was something Citizens United, right? Was it 2010? I think as a result of that ruling, that's what allowed for First Amendment rights for corporations as well. I mean, could they go down that road and find a sympathetic judge, jury, and the like?
They have a lot of procedural options, but most likely they will file in federal court or state court, arguing that this law should be enjoined. A declaratory judgment should be issued saying this law procedurally to strike it down. Now, they may in turn argue that, look, the statute itself is facially neutral, doesn't have to do with speech. So it's really an interesting legal question. It could go either way.